let's walk through adding a Philips Hue bridge to a Crestron Home System. The first thing we will need to do is go to Pair Devices and select Platform. After you select Platform, scroll down to Philips Hue. Please note that in this example, we already set up the Philips Hue bridge using the Philips Hue app and added several areas and multiple bulbs. We will choose the Hue driver at the top of the list that says TCP client. If we press the Info button, we can see that Crestron is the developer of this driver. There is another third-party driver available from Ultimation, but it requires a paid license. The driver we are going to use is free. We will add the Hue bridge to the master bedroom, although it does not matter what room you put the Hue bridge in. You will still be able to assign the areas, rooms, and loads anywhere you want in the Crestron system. We will enter a name and press OK. Now that we added the Hue bridge to our system, everything that we configured in the Philips Hue Setup app will appear in Pair Devices. We will need to enter the static IP address of the Hue bridge. Please note that if the Hue bridge obtained its IP via DHCP, which it does by default, if that IP ever changes, all of the Philips Hue lights will stop working. For this reason, you should only use static IPs. You can set a static IP within the Philips Hue Setup app, and you should do that before adding it to the Crestron system. Next, we will need to pair the bridge by pressing the Bridge Link button on the bridge. Notice how we have a connection success message. Next, we need to add the rooms or bulbs to our system. In this part of the example, we are later in our setup and have already added many bulbs to the system. We are going to add an additional bulb as an example. If we scroll to Manage Platforms under Pair Devices, we can see 6 items in the Philips Hue folder. These items are items that we configured within the Philips Hue app that have not yet been added to the system. In our case, we want to add the Office Lamp T2 bulb, since we named the bulb Office Lamp T2 in the Philips app. That is how it shows up here. We will add it to the office. Now that it is added, we will be able to add this new bulb to our lighting scenes. There are multiple existing scenes in this office example. If we go to the lighting scenes, we will see a list of scenes that are in the room. The all on and all off scenes will already have this new bulb added by default, so we don't need to modify those. The end user has several scenes in the space that use specific colors. We need to assign the loads to the scenes, and then we need to modify the color. To edit the scene, select the scene, choose the wrench icon, and choose Add/Remove Loads. We will be able to choose the loads based on the spaces they are located in and add them to our lighting scenes. Be sure to press the Save button once you are done editing. We will need to repeat this process for every scene where we want to place the new bulbs. Now we want to change the color of the bulbs for each scene. You cannot do this in the Crestron Home Setup app. You have to do it on the touchscreen itself. On the touchscreen, select the room you would like to change and press the Lights button. After you press the Lights button, press the Edit button on the top right. Then select the scene you want to edit. Then press on the area that has the lights and percentage for the scene. Then press the color wheel, choose the new color that you want, and press the Back button. Be sure to save your changes after you have selected the desired color.